Chapter 11. Modern Physics, Radioactivity. Learning Objectives. General concept of nuclear structure. Periodic table and its relation to atomic number. Isotopes. Isobars. Isotones. Radioactivity. Rutherford's experimental study of the nature of Becquerel rays. Explanation of natural radioactivity. Radioactivity and changes in nucleus. Laws of radioactive emission. Nuclear energy. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion. Radioactivity isotopes. Geiger counter and background radiation. Nuclear waste and its disposal. Harmful effects of radiation. Safety precautions at nuclear power plants. General concept of nuclear structure. Understanding the structure of the atom is crucial for comprehending radioactivity, as this phenomenon is directly linked to the nucleus of an atom. An atom is made up of three particles: electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons have negative charge, protons have positive charge, whereas neutrons have no charge, they are neutral. Due to the presence of equal number of negative electrons and positive protons, the atom on the whole is electrically neutral. The protons and neutrons are located in a small nucleus at the center of the atom. Due to the presence of protons, nucleus is positively charged. The electrons revolve rapidly round the nucleus in fixed circular paths called energy levels or shells. The energy levels or shells are represented in two ways, either by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, or by the letters K, L, M, N, O and P. The energy levels are counted from the center outwards. The maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in K shell is 2, for L shell is 8, for M shell is 18 and for N shell is 32. Each energy level or shell is associated with a fixed amount of energy, the shell nearest to the nucleus having minimum energy and the shell farthest from the nucleus having the maximum energy. There is no change in the energy of electrons as long as they keep revolving in the same energy level and the atom remains stable. The change in the energy of an electron takes place only when it jumps from a lower energy level to a higher energy level, or when it comes down from a higher energy level to a lower energy level. When an electron gains energy, it jumps from a lower energy level to a higher energy level, and when an electron comes down from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, it loses energy. Protons and neutrons are called as nucleons. Protons carry a positive charge, quantified as plus 1.6 times 10 powers minus 19 coulombs, and have a mass approximately 1837 times greater than that of one electrons. Neutrons, on the other hand, are electrically neutral and have a mass slightly greater than that of protons, although for practical purposes, their masses are considered equal. The nucleus makes up much less than 0.01% of the volume of the atom, but typically contains more than 99.9% of the mass of the atom. Table 11.1 Symbols, charge and mass of electron, proton and neutron. The symbolic structure of nucleus. The symbolic structure of the nucleus is represented by two key parameters: mass number, this denotes the total number of nucleons in the nucleus, including both protons and neutrons. It is also known as atomic weight. Atomic number, Z, this indicates the total number of protons present in the nucleus, which is equivalent to the number of electrons orbiting the nucleus. Atomic number is also referred to as proton number. The atomic number, Z, determines the chemical and physical characteristics of an element. Additionally, the total number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is denoted by the symbol N. In summary, the mass number, A, is defined as the sum of the number of protons, Z, and the number of neutrons, N, expressed as A is equal to Z plus N. Symbolically, If X represents the symbol of an element, with A as its mass number and Z as its atomic number, the nucleus of the element is represented as Z powers Xa. For example, considering oxygen with A is equal to 16 and Z is equal to 8. The symbol for its nucleus is written as 8 powers O16.